Hi, welcome to Nice Monkey Science. Hope you find this video useful. This video is covering types of chemical bonds that you need to know for GCSE Science. And there are 3 types of strong chemical bonds that you need to know about. Those bonds are ionic, covalent and metallic. Ensure you know what particles make up these bonds and what elements, i.e. metals or non-metals, make up these bonds. Let's put this information into a table. Firstly, ionic bonds are made up of oppositely charged ions. So ions are charged atoms, atoms that have gained or lost an electron. By oppositely charged, I mean a positive and a negative ion. Next we have covalent bonds, and these are formed of particles that are atoms that end up sharing pairs of electrons. Covalent is made up of atoms sharing pairs of electrons. Finally, we have metallic bonding. These are formed from atoms that share delocalized electrons. This word delocalized is used a lot by the exam board. It just means electrons that aren't attached to a particular atom, and you can think of it as free-floating electrons. So instead of whizzing around the central nucleus of the atom, they're just drifting between atoms. Okay, so now we're moving on to the elements that form these bonds. Ionic bonds are formed from metals joined with non-metals. Covalent bonds are always formed between non-metals. So for example, carbon and hydrogens, they will bond covalently. And metallic, as the name suggests, are formed from metals only, but will also include alloys, where elements such as carbon is mixed in with a metal such as iron. So just to give you an example of ionic bonding, you might find sodium chloride. So sodium is on the left-hand side of the periodic table, so it's a metal, and the chloride is the name for the ion form of chlorine, found on the right-hand side of the periodic table in group 7, and therefore is a non-metal. An example of covalent bonding could be methane, CH4, all of which are non-metals, or CO2, H2O. And then finally metallic, that's just the type of bonding you find in all metals, so gold, silver, tin, etc. You've been watching Nice Monkey Science. Please like, subscribe, click the bell for notifications. I'd love to get your comments below.